Good morning, class 7, English reader, chapter 4, Newtonian nonsense. Do you know the story of how Archimedes discovered the way to measure the volume of irregular solids? Archimedes, a Greek mathematician, apparently means as well as a person knows or he sees. The solution occurred to him while he was in his bathtub. So he jumped out shouting Eureka and ran through the streets, having forgotten to wear his clothes. That means he was so excited with the solution which he got about the question whichever he was thinking about. And he was so excited that he ran through the streets and didn't notice even that he was not wearing clothes. Do you believe the story? It is certainly entertaining, but there is no proof that it is a true story. डू यू बिलीव एवरी हिस्टोरिकल एनेक्डोट यू कम अक्रॉस? यानी आप कोई भी हिस्टोरिकल स्टोरी सुनते हैं तो क्या आप सभी पे बिलीव करते हैं? इफ़ यू डू सो, एक्सप्लेन गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल. सो हियर वी हैव अ काइंड ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल एनेक्डोट टू रीड. Gondwana is an evil kingdom. Evil means wicked that rises from the bottom of the sea. यानी सी की गहराई से आया है, राइज हुआ है. 6 teenagers from different parts of the earth आइडेंटिफाइड बाय मेडलियंस अराउंड देयर नेक्स. यानी उन्होंने अपने नेक में मेडल्स पहने हुए हैं. एज यू हैव सीन अ मेडल टाइड अप विद अ रिबन. हैव अ ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. ना इनके पास क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है? दे हैव टू फाइंड 6 पार्ट्स ऑफ अ की टू अ लॉक. यानी एक लॉक की जो की है उसके 6 पार्ट्स को उन्हें सर्च करना है so that they can send the Gondwana land back before it destroys the earth. As we have seen that Gondwana land is an evil kingdom, so they need to send it back before it destroys the earth. Now through the 3 books of the series as we know different parts of particular one, like if we see a book or a movie, so this is the series. They travel back and forth. I mean they have traveled through 3 books and they are again and again coming and moving in time to meet various famous people who have parts of the key. Read on as they go about 300 years back in time. That means they have gone in the past for a meeting with their first fantastic key holder, a world-renowned scientist who proved the theory of gravity. Can you guess who it is? Now in the next coming up line which you are going to read, there is a description of a room about which the 6 teenagers are talking about. This was a much more airy room, यानी हवादार रूम था. The curtains were open and they saw the heaps of books, यानी books were piled up on the table and the papers that cluttered his desk. यानी जिस पर्सन से वो मिलने जा रहे थे उनके डेस्क पे जो पेपर्स थे वो अनटाइडी वे में स्कैटर्ड थे एंड ऑल अदर सर्फेसेस, यानी और बाकी जगहों पे भी वो स्कैटर्ड थे उसी तरह से. At the lower end of the room, away from the window, was another table cluttered with small bottles filled with various chemicals. यानी विंडो के जस्ट नीचे एक छोटी टेबल थी जिसके ऊपर बहुत सारी बॉटल्स थी, वो भी अनटाइडी वे में रखी हुई थी, with various chemicals. Axis, now one of the teenager, knew that in his middle years, Newton had begun to write more on alchemy and mystical subjects, including the analysis of the Bible, and the papers represented his ongoing work. Now one of the teenager whose name is Axis, उसे पता है कि न्यूटन जो थे अपनी मिडिल एज में he was writing more on alchemy. Now alchemy means a form of chemistry studied in the Middle Ages which involved trying to discover how to change ordinary metals into gold. यानी ऑर्डिनरी मेटल्स को किस तरह से गोल्ड में कन्वर्ट किया जाए उसकी जो स्टडी थी रिलेटेड टू द सब्जेक्ट केमिस्ट्री, ही वॉज राइटिंग मोर ऑन दैट. एंड मिस्टिकल, द वर्ड मिस्टिकल गिविंग अस इंस्पायरिंग अ सेंस ऑफ ऑ. That these were the subjects including the analysis. That means he was also reading the Bible and trying to analyze what is written in that. And the papers which were scattered here and there represented his ongoing work. That means he was still working on those topics, you can say, or the subjects. Newton went to his desk and sat there. They faced him in a row. You can see, as in the pic, these all six teenagers are standing in a row, and the fellow, that means the renowned scientist Newton, is just staring at them. They faced him in a row as he studied them with the curiosity and wonder of a scientist unraveling a secret. The way he was looking at them, it seems as if a scientist is unraveling a secret. Now, unraveling means explaining something that is difficult to understand or is mysterious. ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे वो उन्हें देख रहे हैं और उन्हें कुछ समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जो शायद उनके समझने में डिफ़िकल्टी प्रेजेंट कर रहा है. About 14 years ago, a young man approached me when I was visiting friends in Grantham. Newton said more to himself than to any of them. यानी वो अपने आप से लग रहा था जैसे बातें कर रहे हैं. He told me that at some time in the future, यानी एक पर्सन जो 14 ईयर्स पहले न्यूटन से मिले थे, उनके बारे में न्यूटन बता रहे हैं कि उन्होंने न्यूटन से ये कहा था कि इन द फ्यूचर अ बॉय वुड कम टू कलेक्ट what he was about to give me to keep in safe custody for him. यानी वो पर्सन जो हैं वो न्यूटन को कुछ ऐसा देने वाले थे जो न्यूटन को अपनी सेफ कस्टडी में रखना था, और उन्होंने कहा था कि फ्यूचर में एक बॉय आएगा जो आपसे वो कलेक्ट करेगा. He handed me an object and said that before I passed it on, I would have to recognize a piece of music. ना वो चीज़ देने से पहले उन्होंने न्यूटन से कहा कि आपको मैं एक धुन गुनगुनाऊंगा जो आपको रिकॉग्नाइज करनी है. ही देन hummed a few bars. Now bars जो वर्ड यहाँ पे मीनिंग दिया है सेक्शन ऑफ अ पीस ऑफ म्यूज़िक, यानी कुछ लाइन्स हम कह सकते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग की उन्होंने. लाइक ही स्टार्टेड हमिंग एंड फॉर सम स्ट्रेंज रीज़न द ट्यून एंटर्ड. किसी स्ट्रेंज रीज़न की वजह से जो ये ट्यून थी वो न्यूटन के हेड में इस तरह से एंटर कर गई एंड इट रिमेन द लाइक एन इरिटेंट. इरिटेंट यानी जो उन्हें परेशान कर रही थी, अनोइंग लगती थी, डिस्टर्ब करती थी. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स रिलेटेड टू माई स्टडी ऑफ ऑप्टिक्स एंड म्यूजिकल नोट्स. Doesn't matter, it was related to the, you can say, the study he was doing, scientific study of sight and behavior of light, that is optics and musical notes. But he was not liking them actually. Now the young lady has played exactly those notes. Now one of the girl, like who's standing here, she has played the same note which that fellow did in front of Newton, has played exactly those notes that he hummed for me. I don't claim to understand how all this has happened. मैं claim नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि ऐसा कैसे हो गया है. Can you describe the man? Axis asked. Axis ने उनसे पूछा, क्या आप उस पर्सन के बारे में और हमें डिस्क्राइब करेंगे जिसके बारे में आप हमें बता रहे हैं. टुडे विल एंड अप हियर ओनली. यू गो थ्रू द चैप्टर विच वी हैव रेड टिल नाउ, द कंटेंट, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज रिगार्डिंग this, let me know in the feedback in our WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you class.